Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and configure Ollama on your Linux operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser, search for Ollama, and the first link will appear for Ollama, click on it. On this main page, you will see this command which says start building with open model. And straight away on this main page itself, you will see this curl command which you can use to install Llama on your Linux operating system. So now I am going to copy this curl command and paste it in my terminal. Okay. Once you paste the command, it will ask for password. Just give it your password and wait for some time. And your installation will start. As you can see, the installation has started. Wait for some time till the installation is completed. So as you can see, the Ollama has installed. Now to install any model using Ollama, what you can do is you can go to the web page of ollama.com. Let's go there and just type /library, and now you can see all the models which are available in the Ollama, like Llama 3.1, DeepSeek R1, Llama 3.2 and other. As you can see here, you can use any of this model. So let's install Llama 3.2. Just click on it, and here you will see a command Ollama run Llama 3.2. You can just copy and paste this command to terminal. It will download this model and run it. Let's do that. Copy this command, open a terminal, paste that command and hit enter. And as you will see, the installation of this model will start. It will take some time. Just wait for a few seconds. So once this model is downloaded, you will drop straight into an interactive chat. Go ahead and ask it anything. It will just take few seconds, and here we are in an interactive chat. We can ask it anything like what is Ollama? Wait, in here, as you can see, it provides us output. You can ask it any complex thing like write a Python code for generating numbers that are alternating prime. Just hit enter, and as you can see here, it has provided us with the code. As you can see, the model has successfully given us output. So now we can exit it using /by. Click enter. You have exited it. Now let me show you some most useful Ollama commands you will use day to day. Like to list model, you can use Ollama list. Here are some models I have. Then to pull a model, you can just use Ollama pull and the name of the model like 53 mini. What it does is it just downloads the model, it doesn't run it. Whereas the Ollama run command, if the model doesn't exist, it first pulls the model, then runs it. And if the model exists, it will directly throw you into an interactive terminal. And then to remove any model, you can just use Ollama RM and name of the model, and you can hit enter. And then as you can see, Llama 3.2 has been deleted. And to see the details of any model, you can use Ollama show and name of the model. Like I have a model named Tusker-7B latest. Can enter, and here are the information of the model like the parameter and architecture, context length, etc. Also, if you want to run a model with a single prompt, you can directly do Ollama run name of the model and the prompt. Like you can use Ollama run Tusker 7B. Who are you? Click enter. It will just take some time and run it. So here, as you can see the result, it doesn't open any interactive chat. So this is how you can install Ollama and install any model on Linux operating system using Ollama and start chatting with it. So that's it for this video. Thank you.